Welcome to the social science class, children. And today we are going to start with the revision of a lesson which are coming in your test 3. As we all know that revision is the essential part of a test, because without doing the revisions proper, or if we are not doing a proper revision, definitely it's become very difficult to score the marks. So now let's start the revision of the chapters which are coming in your test 3. Your test paper will be divided into two sections, section A and section B. So first I'll start the revision with the section A. Section A. Question 1. Fill in the blanks. A. Indians were led by Mahatma Gandhi to protest against the Rowlatt Act. Yes, we all know that the Rowlatt Act was started in 1919 and Mahatma Gandhi was the one who started the protest against the Britishers. That is why it is said Indians were led by Mahatma Gandhi to protest against the Rowlatt Act. B. Gandhiji united the entire nation and led the freedom movement. So, for the freedom of India, Gandhiji united the entire nation or the country, you can say, and led the freedom movement. C. Some animals remain inactive for a long time during winter months. Yes, so some animals, they remain inactive. During which period? During the winter months. D. Demand for complete independence was made at Lahore session of the Congress. In the Lahore session, they all decided that they are going to have a demand for a complete independence for the country. E. The Dandi March marked the beginning of civil disobedience movement. So the Dandi March, which was led by Mahatma Gandhi against the salt law, which was where the taxes were levied by the Britishers. So here this Dandi March begins the mark the beginning of the civil disobedience movement. F. The hills of sand in the desert are called sand dunes. So when the hills of sand, which you can see in the desert areas, they are called sand dunes. G. The occupation of the nomads is usually animal dependent. Nomads are basically dependent on the occupation which are there, and they totally depend on them. H. Large canal systems have been constructed to irrigate the desert. Here, all the desert area are irrigated, or the water supply is being done by the large canal systems here. I. Mecca is the holiest center of pilgrimage for the Muslims. Like we have the different your pilgrimage in India for the Hindus or Muslims or Christians, in the same way in Saudi Arabia. Mecca is the holiest center for pilgrimage for the Muslims, all the Muslims of the world. So that is their holiest place for this community. Question 2. Name them. The first president of India. So the first president of India was Dr. Rajendra Prasad. B. An underground spring of water creates a oasis. C. A sharp and pointed hard and woody outgrowth on a plant that looks similar to a thorn is spine. D. A group of soldiers, troop or army. We call it group, troop or army. E. A meeting for discussing or deciding something is session. F. Adjust or modify to the surrounding conditions, that is adaptation. Question 3. State true or false. A. The do or die slogan was started during the non-cooperation movement. Yes, it is true. B. The Rowlatt Act empowered the government to arrest and jail anyone without trial. It's true. Yes, this Rowlatt Act, Mr. Rowlatt started this act, and where the people can be arrested without the trial or without asking for the reason for any cases, they can be sent to jail immediately. C. Date palms can be grown in oases. Date palms can be grown in oases. Yes, it's true. D. Jeddah is a port town of Kuwait. Yes, Jeddah is a port town of Kuwait. False. Now let us discuss section B, that is answer the following in short. Question 4. A. What are sand dunes? Sand dunes are the hills of sand that are formed due to the erosion and deposition by the strong winds. Basically, they are hills of sand which are formed due to the erosion and depositions by the strong winds. B. Define the following terms. Oasis. In some areas of the desert, the underground water comes to the surface, leading to vegetation in surrounding areas. It is called an oasis. C. Name any 3 plants found in the desert area or the region. Answer. 3 plants found in the desert area or region are cactus, palms, and thorny bushes. D. Name the 3 main movements launched under the leadership of Mahatma Gandhi. Answer. The 3 main movements launched under the leadership of Mahatma Gandhi were the Non-Cooperation Movement, 1920, Civil Disobedience Movement, 1930, and the Quit India Movement in 1942. E. What is the importance of Lahore Session of 1929? Answer. The Lahore Congress session took place in 1929. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was elected the president of Congress and he demanded Purna Swaraj, that is, complete independence. It was decided that 26 January will be celebrated as Independence Day, and Civil Disobedience Movement will be launched in 1930. So, in this session, these important things were decided. F. Who was the head of Simon Commission? Why did Indians boycott it? Sir John Simon was the head of the Simon Commission. It was boycotted by the Indians as there was no Indian member in this commission. Thus, there was no hope from it? G. Who is called Netaji? What slogan did he coin? Subhash Chandra Bose is popularly called as Netaji. He coined the famous slogans Delhi Chalo, or we can say Dilli Chalo, Give me blood, I'll give you freedom, and the famous Jai Hind. These were the slogans given by the Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. H. What was the Rowlatt Act? When was it passed? Rowlatt Act was passed by the British Parliament, under which the British government got the power to arrest anyone and send him/her to jail without trial. It was passed in 1990. Let's come to the long answers. Question number 5. Answer the following in detail. What type of climate does Saudi Arabia have? Answer. Saudi Arabia has a hot and dry climate. 1. Summers are very hot. Days are extremely hot, but the nights are relatively cool. Second, during the winter seasons, the days are warm and nights are cold. Third, dust storms are common throughout the year. B. Write short note on life of the Bedouins. The Bedouins are the most important and notable among all nomads in the Arabian desert. Number 1. They keep camels whose milk they drink. They use the skin and the hair of the camel for clothes and shoes. Second, they move or travel on camels in long rows called caravans. Third, they have to work hard for their livelihood. They exchange animals and goods. C. Why is camel called the ship of the desert? The camel is the most common and useful animal of the desert. Following features help it to survive easily in desert. Number 1. Its long legs and padded feet help it to walk and travel long distance in the sun. Second, camel can survive without water and food for many days. Third, they can easily carry very big loads from one side of the desert to the other. D. Write a short note on Dandi March. On March 12, 1930, Gandhiji started the Dandi March from Sabarmati Ashram with 78 followers towards the small coastal village of Dandi. Second, he marched against the heavy tax on salt which was consumed by all. Third, he reached Dandi on April 6 and broke the salt law by making salt from sea water. This was marked as the beginning of the civil disobedience movement. Thousands of people defied the law and were taken prisoners. E. Name the Ali brothers which movement was started by them and why. Maulana Muhammad Ali and Maulana Shaukat Ali were popularly known as Ali brothers. They started the Khilafat movement in 1920. After Turkey was defeated in the First World War, the Alis decided to divide it among themselves. The powers of the Caliph, who was the religious head of Muslims, were taken back. This angered the Muslim and led to the setting up of Khilafat movement by Ali brothers. F. Explain non-cooperation movement in brief. Non-cooperation movement, the Congress started it under the leadership of Mahatma Gandhi. It was decided that no one will cooperate with the British government. Students boycotted schools and colleges, lawyers boycotted law courts, peasants refused to pay taxes, and government servants left government jobs. The movement became violent in 1922. 22 policemen were burnt alive by the Satyagrahis at Chauri Chaura, UP. Gandhiji did not support violence and called off the movement. So I hope, children, you are able to understand this and you all will revise your revision thoroughly so that you can perform well. Thank you, children.